Get off my lawn. On my mark, get ready. Playoffs? You see, Manny being Manny, more like Manny being However, number one, Fitzy clauses. Hello, you play to win the Why, it's just that kind of positivity and we need more of around here this time of year. I love how Brady, Belichick, McDaniels, and all the Pats keep saying that this is just any other game. You know, nothing personal. Yeah. I'm not a smart man, but I do know what fantasy is, Jenny. It's Fitzy's Fanalist Fun Spot. This is 5 Center. Good to see your super wounds are healing there, Fitz. Jeez. You're watching PPBS, the Profane Patriots Broadcasting System. Got 2 turntables and a microphone. A service brought to you by We Don't Give Two Flying Shits Industries. Dude, my relatives suck it like a missed extra point. All they do is tell me to grow up. Dude, I'll be going on day 4 of... well, would you look at that? Football. Wow. Wow. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's
moving right along in search of good friends and good.
Anything's possible. Anything is possible. Well said, good sir. Here, here. Hurrump, hurrump. Michelle, you look good tonight, girl. Count me in.
I'd like to play a game. It's called Hide and Go Fuck Yourself.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Folks, he's a badass, all right? Trust me, James Bond is someone to be feared and not fucked with now. Right this way. Let's get to the movies already. Peekaboo. No, dinner was great, Ma. And what the fucking roasted balls is going on here?
Wow.
Hey, I got a mighty win for you. And now it's on with the show. Frosty the...
What?
See ya, folks. I'm Fitzy.
Burp.
Chestnuts roasting on an open...
Yeah.
The frozen tundra of lamb. Football. It's fan... Wanna call?
Holding.
Bartender. Throw it to me. I'm open. Hey, you. Dun 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 dun. Dun na 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 na. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, Peyton. Boo. You make me feel like a natural. On the play we had illegal. Everybody loves Peyton. I'm eating lots of snacks. We'll punch Peyton in the sack. You ever been to Pittsburgh? The Celtics got KG. Oh my! Kevin got that place.